All right, I'm Mike Moore, old retired Air Force guy, likes cars. This is my 56. I got it a while back. 327, Texas racing transmission, aftermarket air, all kind of pretty. I don't know what else to really
So you got a lot of chrome work
Oh,
inside.
sure.
Let's
The whole,
take a look at that.
lots,
Well
lots of
detailed.
Lots of chrome.
Chrome fender wells, rear support,
Everything.
splash pan. Really beautiful car.
Really straight car. I got this just aftermarket air, little clock, little turquoise clock, all the detail stuff. Pretty nice. But like I say, that's how I got her. Somebody put lots of time in her.
So what's the door shut like? That's what people like to know on these.
Listen to it.
Just like a new one.
Like a brand new one.
I have to change or replace my blinker fluid. What is that meaning?
That means that they're going to put some gasoline underneath their tail light. And look at here on the 56. You click here, pop down, and you put your fuel in down there. They did it on a few different cars, but the 56 was one of them. Everybody in Salisbury, there's lots of nice cars here, and we have a great Saturday night, so everybody come on out. You'll really enjoy it. Lots of variety, some beautiful cars. Good time.